Hi and welcome everyone, it's Martin here with Crypto Gains. Happy Monday! We have a couple of exciting announcements to make. First of all, we're launching zero commission crypto trading on StormGain, where you can open and close positions paying zero commission unless your trades are profitable. So here our interests are completely aligned. We only want you to be paying commission for us as long as you are profitable on your trades. In addition to that, from today we're launching Crypto Gains in two languages, German and Spanish, so even if you're not fluent in English, you'll be able to benefit from these ideas. Finally, I'm returning to the format where I'll be sharing multiple ideas across several crypto assets so that you have more choice in your trading. So let's begin with Bitcoin versus Tether. Starting with the 4-hour chart, we can see that there is a bit of indecisiveness between the areas of 46,500 and 48,000. The MACD line, the MACD indicator also seems a bit indecisive, and the relative strength index is hovering around that 50 mark, which is basically telling us whether we're in the bullish or in bearish territory. So ideally, I'll be waiting for a break over 48,000 to initiate long positions with target at 50,000. Or if we break below 46,500, I'll be initiating short positions with target at 44,000, which is the next reasonable support area. However, on the daily chart, we're still maintaining more of a bullish sentiment with relative strength index readings close to 70 and bullish setup of the MACD. Next, I'd like to move to Ethereum versus Tether. And again, turning our attention to the 4-hour chart. As long as we're over 1,750, to me this is an opportunity to initiate long positions with targets at 1,850 near the all-time highs that we reached and afterwards corrected sharply. And there is a bit of indecisiveness between 1750 and 1700. If we break below 1700, there could be more downside taking us to 1570. We can see that after a sharp drop in the relative strength index to 40, now it's recovering. Ideally, I would wait for it to recover to about 50 and then initiate long positions. The daily setup for Ethereum still looks quite bullish. However, it's beginning to turn more neutral with an attempt of the MACD line, the blue MACD line, to cross below the red signaling line, which could alert us for a more sustained downtrend in Ethereum versus Tether. Next, briefly, I wanted to talk about Cardano versus Tether. And what we're observing here is that after reaching new all-time high and after almost reaching the 1 level, we had a bit of a retracement. But the way I'm reading the chart, we are attempting to recover this relative strength index above 50. So as long as we're over 0.82, I'm seeing opportunities for long positions with targets near the all-time high, 0.98. However, if we break below 0.77, we can be declining all the way down to 0.7 once again. So as you can see, there is a lot of indecisiveness in the market. That's why the recommendations that I'm giving you are multi-directional, both to the upside and to the downside. And finally, I wanted to discuss Polkadot versus Tether. And here, as long as we're over 2570, there is an opportunity to initiate long positions with target at 30. However, if we break below 24.4, most likely the bears will prevail with a target at 22. And finally, before I wrap up, I wanted to remind you that the recommendations that I gave last week on Litecoin versus Tether were highly profitable on the daily chart with targets at 195 and 210. Both of these targets were reached. And the other recommendation that I made on Friday on Bitcoin Cash versus Tether was also highly profitable, where I recommended long positions over 530 with target at 620. Finally, keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And of course, remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy group for lots of insightful articles, market views, and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely. Have a good week. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the StormGain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.